Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of Educom EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Vedi and the topic for the video is past continuous tense. So today we are going to talk about the second form of past tense, that is past continuous tense. So past continuous tense basically talks about any past action which is in progress. Okay, let's say for example it was still raining when I reached home. Okay, it was still raining when I reached home. Or the second example, they were studying for 3 hours. Okay, now if you check out this sentence, you will see that both these sentences, let's talk about the first sentence. The first sentence says that it was still raining when I reached home. Means the rain started earlier and still continued to rain when the person reached home. In the second sentence, they started to study. They went to study before 3 hours, prior 3 hours, but still they continued to study. Okay, so in both the examples you will see that the past action is still in progress. An action which already started is still in progress. Okay, so that is why was raining, were studying is an example of past action. Okay, so what will be the sentence arrangement here? The sentence arrangement will be, first of all, subject will come, then use of was or were, then V4 or ing plus object. Okay, subject plus was or were plus V4 plus object. Got it? Now we are going to talk about the uses of past continuous tense. The uses of past continuous tense. Now what are its uses? The first use says that it is used when you are talking about any past action in progress. For example, he was writing a letter. Means he started writing a letter, and now also he means the continuation of writing the letter is still going on. Okay, is still going on. So that is why it is he was writing a letter. Okay, or they were watching television, or they were watching television. Okay. Now in the second case, when we are talking about two past actions taking place together, or two past actions taking place simultaneously. Okay, two past actions taking place simultaneously. Now let's say for example, if I am saying that while Rita was dancing, Radha was singing. Means one of the friend is singing and the other friend is dancing. So these are like two past actions taking place simultaneously. Okay, first is that while Rita was dancing, Radha was singing. Means one of the friend was singing while the other was dancing. Okay, so when you talk about two past actions taking place together, then you make use of past continuous tense. Then third use is that these are used for definite future event in the past. Okay, this is one of the most important use, that they are used in use of past continuous tense is done when you're talking about definite future event in the past. Let's say I was living that night. That night means you're talking about any past night, means this is actually a past event. That night is a past event. Okay, so when you're talking about any definite future event in the past, in that case again you use past continuous tense. So here it is like I was living that night. Okay, let's see out the fourth use. Fourth use says that while still at the moment, then. Now these types of words are used to express progressive action in the past. Okay, what is the fifth use? The fifth use is that if any sentence uses, if any of the sentences uses words like then or these days, then or those days. Okay, if any sentence has the words like those days or then, in that case again past continuous tense is used. Let's say for example, he was reading then. Okay, again past continuous tense has been used here. Was reading is the past continuous tense. Okay, or in the fourth use, when any word when any sentence makes the use of the words like while, still, at the moment or then, again in that case what you do is you use past continuous tense. Okay, so these words are basically used to express progressive action in the past: while, still, at the moment or then. I hope the uses of past continuous tense is clear to you. In the next video I am going to talk about some of the questions related to past continuous tense. Okay.